These are not exponential equations. This first one, just because something has an exponent in it does not mean it's exponential. You have to have the variable in the exponent to be exponential. So like 2 to the x or 3 to the x, those would be exponential functions. This one's not exponential because you can't have a negative number be the base. You can sub in a negative number in here to evaluate, like down here, but you can't have the base be a negative number. The base can be any real number that's positive. To evaluate this, all we're going to do to find f of 2 is just take the 2 and sub it into x. So to find f of 2, we just do 2 to the second power, 2 times 2, which would be 4. F of negative 1, we just do 2 to the negative first power. Again, notice you can sub in negative numbers in for x. The base just can't be negative. So this, if we put into our calculator, or I know that a negative exponent just puts my number in the denominator. So it's 1/2 or 0.5. And f of 1/2 would be 2 to the 1/2 power. If I was going to put this in my calculator, you want to make sure that there's parentheses around the 1/2. Or sometimes what I do if I'm going to put this in my calculator is I just change it to a decimal. 2 to the 0.5. I know from earlier chapters that raising something to the 1/2 is the same as square rooting it. So this is the square root of 2. Or on your calculator, you would have gotten about 1.414, which is fine. Either one of those. There you go.